Christmas is all about creating happy memories that will last a lifetime. Wishing Merry Christmas to you and your family. Christmas is a season to wish one another joy and love and peace. Merry Christmas, my dear friends. May you feel the love this special day. May this festive season brings lots of joy and happiness in your life. May all of your wishes and dreams come true, and may you feel this happiness all year round. Merry Christmas! Celebrate the wonder and the joy of the festive season. Merry Christmas! Christmas is a time to enjoy with all your loved ones, spreading divinity and cheer around. Merry Christmas! I wish you many blessings, much happiness, and even more love. Merry Christmas! May your heart and home be filled with all the joys of the festive season. Have a wonderful Christmas. May the joy and peace of Christmas be with you throughout the year. Wishing you a season of blessings. Merry Christmas! Christmas is the time to receive and send blessings. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. May all the sweet magic of Christmas conspire to gladden your heart and fill every desire. Merry Christmas! May your heart and home be filled with all of the joys the festive season brings. Merry Christmas! May your Christmas sparkle with moments of love, laughter and goodwill. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Wishing you a Christmas that's merry and bright. Merry Christmas with lots of love. Wishing you a season that's merry and bright with the light of God's love. May the true spirit of Christmas shine in your heart and light your path. Have a joyous festive season. May the spirit of Christmas be with you all year round. Merry Christmas! May God's love be with you. I hope the holidays bring a chance to rest and recharge. May God's love lift you up during this winter of life. Christmas waves a magic wand over this world, and behold, everything is softer and more beautiful. I will honor Christmas in my heart, and try to keep it all the year. Christmas is the day that holds all time together.